Ruby's coming up with all kinds of obstacles for Elliot to do to get his energy out. She got him to run all the way to the fence and back and kick a ball. Now they're going to go and do a race up to the top of the hill and then race down. Just a run down. Doesn't have to be a race. You guys ready to run down the hill?
No, he's still coming.
Okay. All right, ready, set, go! Ophelia's running down the hill. Ruby's turn. Elliot's turn. Come on, you can do it.
You can do this.
Come on, let's get to it. Yay, Elliot! Good job!
Run back up.
You can do it. Don't give up, Elliot. You can do it.
Oh, big.
Oh, jeez. Come on, Ophelia, you can do it. Don't give up. Yay! Good job, everybody.